In web analytics, it's not enough to simply know how many people visit your website. You need to understand who they are. You need to understand who they are and what they're doing when they get there. That's where audience demographics and behavior analysis comes in. Why audience insight matters. Demographics tell you about your audience identity like age, gender, and location. Behavior data, on the other hand, reveals how users interact with your website or app. When you combine both, you gain a clear, data driven understanding of your users. This helps you personalize experience, target your marketing effectively, and drive better business outcomes. No matter what kind of site you run, e-commerce, education, news, or blogging, understanding your audience is essential for growth and optimization. What are audience demographics? Demographics refers to the statistical trait of your users. These typically includes age range, gender, language preferences, geographic location, device type, laptop, mobile or tablet, operating system and browser. These details are more than just numbers, they guide you your destination. For example, if most users are aged between 25 to 34 and use mobile devices, you should prioritize mobile friendly designs. If users come from Tier 2 cities, local language support and regional offers may drive better engagement. If the majority prefer Hindi over English, launching multi-language versions could provide visuality and reach. In Google Analytics 4, demographic data is collected through Google Signals, which uses data from users logged into their Google accounts. What is behavior analysis? Behavior analysis tells you what users actually do on your site. It focuses on sessions and page view, session duration and engagement rate, events like video view, form submission and downloads, funnel progression such as product view, add to cart, checkout. These kind of insights help answer key questions like which content is most engaging, where do users drop off, are your call to action effective, what's causing friction in the journey of user. When you understand behavior, you can refine your layout, structure, and content to improve conversions. Why combining demographics and behavior is so powerful? Demographics show you who your users are. Behavior shows what they do. Together, they provide context. For instance, desktop users aged between 35 to 44 may complete more purchases, while mobile users aged between 18 to 24 mostly browse. One region may have high bounce rate, prompting an investigation into performance or messaging. Female users may respond more positively to certain offers than male users, allowing better personalization. These analyses let you segment users based on conversion behavior, identify high potential underserved segments, build stronger remarketing campaign, tailor landing pages and offers, improve UX based on specific group behavior. Accessing audience data into Google Analytics 4. To analyze audience demographics and behavior in Google Analytics 4, Number 1. Go to Reports, User, Demographic Overview. See age, gender, location and language. Number 2. Go to Reports, Tech Overview. Check devices, browsers and operating system. Number 3. Use the reports, engagement pages and screens. Identify your most engaging content and top exit pages. Number 4. Use the Explore section for custom reports. For example, compare sessions by age group versus engagement time. And don't forget to enable Google Signals to get rich demographic insights. Real life application example. Let's say you manage a platform for online courses. After collecting data, you notice most engaged users are aged between 25 to 34 using mobile devices from metro cities. Users aged between 18 to 24 stay longer but rarely complete signups. Visitors from rural areas bounce quickly, likely due to slow internet and language issues. Based on this, you optimize mobile pages and streamline CTAs for younger users. You launch simplified regional landing pages into local languages. You test new headlines to engage hesitate users. The results: high signups, better engagement, and smarter marketing. Best practices for audience analysis. Always analyze behavior by segment. Averages can hide important trends. Track engagement matrices over time across user groups. Test content types, video, text, interactive with different age and device segments. Use behavior insights for retargeting, like showing offers to users who visit but didn't convert. Continuously refine your targeting based on fresh data and seasonal patterns. Common mistakes to avoid: not enabling Google Signs, treating all users the same, ignoring mobile versus desktop behavior, focusing on traffic volume instead of the quality, relying on outdated assumptions instead of current data. Summary: audience demographics and behavior analysis lets you understand your users not just as numbers but as people. By combining who they are with what they do, you can personalize experiences, improve your website or app, target campaigns for more efficiently, fix friction points, and increase engagement, retention, and conversion. Real life example: online education platform. One online course site used GA4 to analyze its audience. They found most users were aged between 18 to 24 from metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and used mobile devices in evening. So they optimized for mobile retargeted ads for young learners and scheduled posts for evening. Results: a 30% increase in course signups just in 1 month. Final thoughts: great digital experience start with empathy, and data makes empathy scalable. When you truly understand your audience, their traits, their habits, their goals, you can deliver what they really need. And when do you do that? They will not only stay longer, they will keep coming back. Thanks for watching this module on audience demographics and behavioral analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to stay updated with more lessons on web analytics. See you in the next module.